Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, we got some Spam. There it is. Got a couple beaten eggs. Got some shredded cheese. Got a tortilla. Got a little salsa. Mike Foster here. I'm starting to do more Spam videos again. I'm getting lots of requests. But guess what? Full of protein. A little too much sodium, but I got the low sodium one. And it's a good way to start the day. This is a protein bomb. This is my Spam and egg burrito. Let's cut the Spam. I'm going to start out by cutting the Spam nice and thin. Like this, you see it? And I'm going to probably put, I think 3 little Spammies here. Okay. Now we're going to cube them really fine, like this. And then like that. See that? Let me finish this, and I'm going to throw this in the stove. Meet you over there. All right, we got a medium pan. I'm going to put a little olive oil down. There you go. Now let's fry up this Spam. Spam's already cooked, so we just want to get a little char on this. This will be a minute and a half or so. All right, this Spam's heated up. Let's add those eggs. This is 3 beaten eggs, slightly. To this, some pepper. All right, let's start mixing that up. All right, that cooks fast. Let's add the cheese. Yep. Mix it around. The old mixy schmixy. This will be ready in 30 seconds when this cheese melts. Let's go. I'll meet you at the counter. Put that burrito together. Flour tortilla has been heated up. Let's get some of that mix in here. Here's the Spam and eggs and cheese. Let's get a goodly amount in there. That's goodly. To give it some tang. This is a nice salsa. All right, let's get ready to put this together. Bring the sides in. Bring the sides in. And loop-de-loop. There's your burrito. And there's the close-up. Big bite coming up. All right, there it is. Let's get a big bite of that. The salsa's going all over the place, but I think a big bite's... Oh. Mmm. The Spam is very savory. The cheese is creamy. You can taste those eggs coming in. And the salsa really makes it all bright. If you don't have salsa, use tomatoes. There you go. Smells good. Get ready for some more Spam recipes. Check out my old Spam recipes at Live Life 365 on YouTube and all my other socials. I got a bunch of them. And don't forget to subscribe. Tell people about Live Life 365. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Alrighty. Now, all right, that's nice. Everything's nice with this guy. Let's study it. Our boy was a sweet bubble. No one saw that one coming. Baba.